This is a video on how to practice Krishna Consciousness at home. A Bhakti Yogi begins by rising early.
Kishori, you lazy sleepyhead. Kishori?
A Bhakti Yogi would then freshen up and get ready for the day.
So many senses. But begin with the sense tongue. Try to control the tongue and engage in Krishna sense.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. Om Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama.
A Bhakti Yogi then chants the Hare Krishna mantra to purify the consciousness.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram Ram, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram Ram, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Buddy!
What's the problem?
What are you chanting? You're not even chanting properly.
But you chanting so loud, I can't even hear what I'm chanting. It's not my fault.
A Bhakti Yogi then discusses philosophy from Srila Prabhupada's book.
The wife is expected to be of the same category as the husband. She must be prepared to follow the principles of the husband, and then there will be happy life.
See what Prabhupada is saying?
Of course, if the husband is great, like Radha Muni,
Yeah, go on, read on.
then a very good result occurs from following him. Do you like him?
Go on, read on, see the whole sentence.
But even if the husband is not a great devotee, like Radha Muni, it is the wife's duty to adapt herself according to his mentality.
See? When you read the whole thing, then you get the real understanding of what Prabhupada is saying.
That makes married life very happy.
A Bhakti Yogi then worships Krishna in his deity form.
Vimam samanasya samutthito grito narasimharupa sadalam vayanakam prataptachamikara chandalochanam spurat kesara jimbitananam karaladamstram karavala chanchala kshuranta jivam brukutir mukhodvanam sabdodvakarnam girikandaradhuta vyatasya nasam anuvejapeshanam.
A Bhakti Yogi goes to work like everyone else, but keeps Krishna in his heart.
Kishori, I'm going to work.
Coming! I think you're forgetting something.
What am I forgetting?
You did that last week as well.
Why don't you remind me of these things
What
before?
to do?
A Bhakti Yogi returns from work, just like everyone else.
Hey, I'm home.
Yay!
A Bhakti Yogi likes to keep the house clean, it keeps the mind peaceful.
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna. Kishori, you missed a spot. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. You missed a spot there. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. You missed a spot there.
Are you chanting or criticizing?
Of course I'm chanting. By the way, you missed a spot there.
A Bhakti yogi likes to sing and dance no matter what they're doing.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Ram, Ram. Sounds like a party going on.
A Bhakti yogi likes to offer everything they cook to Krishna first. A Bhakti yogi likes to sing kirtan to glorify Krishna every day.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Sharing Krishna consciousness with others is what a Bhakti yogi loves the most.
Hi everyone and welcome to the Bhagavad Gita Explained. My name is Kishori.
My name is Radha Govinda and this is your Facebook Live session where we take you through the Bhagavad Gita every week, little by little, and over a month we'll try and cover the entire Bhagavad Gita. Thank you for joining us.
And I know that we can't, during this coronavirus, we don't have the chance to get together face to face, but we can still connect online.
A Bhakti yogi also looks after the body. It's good to keep the car running smoothly. A Bhakti yogi likes to read about Krishna before going to bed.
May He continue to glance mercifully over us and our cows. May we live peacefully under the protection of wonderful Krishna.
A Bhakti yogi likes to sleep early so he can get up early the next morning. But sometimes reality is different from perception.
After installing Sahadev on the throne, he released all the kings and princes who had been imprisoned unnecessarily by Jarasandha. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta purport of the 72nd chapter of Krishna, the liberation of King Jarasandha. Good night.
Krishna consciousness is simple, just add Krishna.